So this is a quick overview of what I packed, and this is the bag that I packed my stuff in. It's this beautiful bag by Cabin Zero, this company. They sent it to me, so thank you so much, Cabin Zero, for giving me this beautiful backpack. It is a 44-liter style bag, and I absolutely love it. I will put in the description below where you can buy this bag. I really love it. It's really amazing. The only thing is, I wish I had some more pockets inside. There's just one big pocket, but otherwise, I love it. It's great. It has lots of space, and you can take this with you on the plane, or you don't have to check a bag, which is super nice. If you guys travel a lot, as I'm sure you know, it's really not convenient to check bags all the time, especially if you're doing budget airlines. So this bag is perfect. You can fit everything you need in it. So yeah, I absolutely love it. So we'll get started here with this book. So this is my favorite book right at the moment. This is Homo Deus. This is a really amazing book talking about the future of humanity. Love it. And then we'll go on to my pants. So I just brought a pair of shorts and a pair of jeans. Right now I'm also wearing some leggings, so just because it's a bit chilly. But so I just brought these 3 pairs of pants. So these are all like perfect. I don't need any other pairs of pants. Just shorts, jeans, and then leggings. And I also brought my jacket. I checked the weather before coming here to Nice. It's a bit chilly, so I just decided to bring it along with me, and I've been using it a ton, so I'm happy I did that. And then I brought my beautiful red dress. I absolutely love this dress. I don't remember where exactly I got this from. I got it at a flea market in Berlin, and I can't remember the name of the company, but I'm really sad about that actually, because I really want to maybe get another one. So maybe next time I'm in Berlin on a weekend, I'll go back and maybe see if I can get another dress in a different style, because I love the bird detail on this one. And then I also brought this lighter long sleeve shirt. I know everything looks really wrinkly, but honestly here it's just really free. You can wear whatever you want. And this one's long sleeve as well, so it's really nice for our colder nights. And then this is my camera bag. So I'm holding my camera now, but I just put my camera in here. I have this cable for plugging into my computer. I have some extra batteries in here. And then this is for my computer. So I brought my computer and then my mouse pad and my mouse. So there's that, and then some toiletries as well. Honestly, you guys, I just brought these 3 things. They have other things here, so I'm like sharing a toothpaste with my boyfriend because he brought that. And then I do have some contact solution, but other than that, I just brought this. So keeping it really minimal while here. And then also I brought 2 pairs of t-shirts. We do a lot of workouts here, so it's really nice to just have some throwaway t-shirts just to wear while doing workout, or if it's a little bit warmer. And then this really wrinkly shirt's actually my favorite shirt. I'll show it to you guys on because I absolutely love it. But yeah, it's really, really soft, really nice, and I'm in love with this shirt. It's really light. And yes, it wrinkles easily, but also the wrinkles come out easily, so it doesn't really bother me that much. And then a sports bra, of course, for working out. And then also too, I have this shirt here that I got at Humana in Berlin, which is like a secondhand store. And I really love this shirt. This is like for dressier times, if like I'm gonna go into town for dinner or something. So I really love this shirt. It's really nice. And then I did bring a pair of tennis shoes and also just regular flip-flops. So that's it. That's all that I fit into that bag over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I brought with me here to Nice, France for a working holiday trip. Let me know in the comments below what one essential it is for you to bring with you when you go on a short trip. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!